guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the other day was my birthday, and for my birthday I got a really cool tripod ring light, and it was the UBeesize 8-inch ring light tripod, and I wanted to share it with you guys and show you how to build it and give a review of it. So here we go. So these are the pieces. This is the ring light, this is the stand, this is the plug-in, this is where you mount your phone, that is a remote to start the video, and this is another little mount thing. So let's start with the stand, which is this piece. So you pull the legs out, and then there's this little thing here that you twist to fasten it so that it will stand. Pretty easy. Next we'll work on making it higher. So these little pieces right here, while they're pushed down, you can't pull it up. So if you want to make it higher, you have to switch one of them off and pull it up, and then switch it back on again so that it stays. You can keep doing that until you reach your desired height, and that's how high I want it right now. So that's it. Now we'll move on to the ring light. So this is the bag that the ring light comes in. And when you take it out, here's the cord, here's the ring light. And you just gotta take the little twist tie off of the cord. And you will need to plug into a wall. And that is where this piece comes in. You plug it in there like that, and just plug it into a wall. Next we'll work on mounting this ring light onto the tripod. So if you see the little screw right there, there's also a little hole right there, and we need to put the hole right there on the screw and twist it on so that it stays. There's this little piece right there that you can twist to help it screw itself in. And now your ring light is going to be very wobbly. So don't worry, we can fix that. All you have to do is twist this little thing right here and get it to stay put like that. Next we'll work on putting this mount for your phone on the tripod. So it's this piece right here, and you're going to want to make sure this little wiry piece is pulled up like that, and you're going to pull these parts out like that and clamp it on your tripod stand, and then pull the wiry piece over so that it goes inside of one of those ridges right there. And then there you go. As you can see, this piece right here is to put your phone in. It can stretch out to fit your size phone, and you just pull it down and fit it in like that. You can also have your phone like this, or you can have it like that. So in order to make it move around like that, as I showed just a minute ago, you have to unscrew it just a little bit, and then you can move the phone around, but then you have to screw it back so that it will stay in that position. Congratulations, you have just successfully set up a tripod. So this little remote thing is connected to the cord of the ring light, and this is the on and off button. This is the brighter or darker button, and this button is to change through the different light modes. So press that and it turns the first light on. That's one of them. That's the next one. And that's the next one. There's only 3. And this button, you can make it darker And using the plus sign button, you can make it lighter. And that's as bright as it goes. Same with all of them, you can make them brighter or darker. And there you go. This is what your finished tripod should look like. Before we go on, I forgot to tell you that this tripod is compatible with iOS and Android devices. There's this little remote that you can use. You just press the button and it starts the video, so you don't have to lean over and start the video. So you have to go to your Bluetooth settings, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then press UBeesize, and then it should connect. And that way you can connect this to your phone, so you can start the video using this. And if you have an iOS device, you press the iOS button. If you have an Android device, you press the Android button. Well, I think that about wraps it up. I think I would give this tripod a 5-star rating. It's pretty good. So I will put the link in the description box below so you can go check it out on Amazon. This tripod was $36.99 on Amazon, and I think it's a pretty good tripod. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!